In 1767, the Confraternity of Jesus the Nazarene of the Recollect Fathers presented the statue of the Black Nazarene, which was blessed by Archbishop Basilio Sancho. Several years later, people continued to flood Quiapo Church every Friday for a chance to touch the statue, believing that it will produce miraculous effects. During the feast day of the Black Nazarene every January 9, even more people flood the area. In several cases, devotees have been seriously injured, and some have given their lives for just one touch on the statue. Prayer is strongly tied to Filipino culture. This can be observed inside Quiapo Church, where people are found every day on their knees praying for everyday concerns. Those who feel that their prayers are not enough can approach people at the back of the church who offer prayers for anyone in exchange for a fee. Outside the church, stalls selling various statues of saints and images of Jesus, as well as the Black Nazarene, line the church's walls. The religiosity of the Filipinos and their faith in prayer can also be observed through the various candle vendors that position themselves in front of the church. Colorful candles are laid out in each stall, each to be used for a specific purpose or prayer.
Ito yan dapat. Pagka yung taong may galit sa'yo, hindi siya sisiyon.
Hihingi siya ng tawad sa'yo pag nagawa ka ng ganito.
Tapos kung may girlfriend ka o boyfriend na halimbawa yan, babalik siya ng gulo. Hindi, yan iba yan sa pamilya yan. Pag namatayan ka o may sakit, yan, itirik mo siya para bumalik.
Quiapo has not only stood as a witness to Philippine history, but more importantly, Quiapo has been an icon for the Filipinos' Catholic faith. Times may change and things may pass, but Quiapo and the Black Nazarene will definitely remain.